I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make yogurt bagels. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 1 cup of self-rising flour, 1 cup of plain, full-fat Greek yogurt, and 1 egg. Make sure your oven is preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This quick and easy recipe will yield 4 delicious bagels, perfect for a weekend breakfast or a satisfying snack. Let's get started on this baked beauty. Now let's get our hands a little messy. In a medium bowl, combine your 1 cup of self-rising flour and 1 cup of Greek yogurt. Mix these together until a shaggy dough forms. Then, turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface and knead it for about 5 to 8 minutes. It should become smooth and elastic. Finally, divide your dough into 4 equal pieces, preparing them for shaping. Next, we will shape our bagels. Take each dough piece and roll it into a 6-inch rope, then connect the ends to form a classic bagel shape. Alternatively, you can form a ball and poke a hole in the center, stretching it gently. For that beautiful golden crust, whisk 1 egg with 1 tablespoon of water to create an egg wash. Brush this generously over each bagel, then add your favorite toppings like sesame seeds. Finally, it's time to bake our delicious creations. Place your prepared bagels on a baking sheet and bake them in your preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes. They should turn a beautiful golden brown. For food safety, ensure the internal temperature reaches at least 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Once baked, let them cool on a wire rack for at least 10 minutes before slicing. Enjoy your warm, homemade yogurt bagels with your favorite cream cheese or butter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.